Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the newly redesigned 2021 Ford F-150 in a Lariat trim and powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing with some excellent fuel efficiency, and coming with some nice upgrades such as a 6-inch BDS Lift Kit, providing you with some more height, sitting on some 20-inch fuel rims with some 35-inch TOYO all-terrain open country tires. You have pocket-style fender flares on there too, and bulletproof mudflaps on the front and rear tires. Running boards down below too, so you can have an easier time getting in. And first looking into the box, where you have your 2 kilowatt Pro Power on board, so you can power your tools off of your truck from there. And now looking at the back seat, where you have seating for 3 with a nice full leather interior with fold-out armrests and 2 cup holders in the middle, as well as having 2 more right here with a 12-volt USB and USB-C and a 120-volt power outlet there. Do also have heated rear seats, and the seats can be folded up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo you might want to put back here. This truck does have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, power telescoping towing mirrors, and 3 memory buttons for your power adjustable driver's seat, steering wheel, pedals, and your mirrors. Now sitting in the truck with it running and looking at the right side of the steering wheel, where you have your controls for your center info screen here, have a fully digital cluster as well. You can look at your trip 1 and 2 information, your eco behavior, your auto start stop status, your driver assistance, and fuel economy, but then you can actually also go out and look at your truck info, where you have tire pressures, off-road status, power distribution, engine information, seatbelt and driver assistance, and then you can also go into your towing information, your navigation controls, phone controls, audio controls, and settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle. You also have My View, where you can go in and put any of those subcategories there for ease of access. But then moving on to the left side of the steering wheel, where you have your cruise controls with lane keeping system and distance pacing technology. You also have your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom. But then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth, so you do have some options there. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, your navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost on your travels, your vehicle settings, so you can go through all of your information here, kind of mess around with it a bit, and you have your whatever apps you may have installed, general settings for your screen, and your general truck features such as driver assistance, Pro Power on board, zone lighting, towing, and owner's manual. But then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera with a full 360 view, so you're going to be able to see all around your truck and hopefully avoid hitting anything, with dynamic hitch view, so you can zoom in and hopefully have an easier time hooking up a trailer or something of the sort. Then above that, you have your auto start stop shut off, your camera view again for the front and 360, hazards, traction control shut off. Do also have a B&O sound system in this vehicle, so your music or whatever is going to sound pretty decent. Moving down from your screen, you have your media controls and your climate controls here with dual zone front climate, heated and air conditioned front seats, and a heated steering wheel, so you can stay comfortable no matter the weather or climate. To the left of that, you have your Pro Trailer backup controller, trailer brake controller, and 4x4 selector with 4 auto and a locking rear differential, as well as having your drive mode selector here for normal, slippery, deep snow, sand, mud, ruts, and then on the opposite end you have tow haul, eco, and sport modes, so you can customize your driving experience quite a bit there. And then on the right side you have a 12-volt power outlet, 120 volt, and this button up here to open this hatch above your glove compartment for more storage. Then down here, this opens up to reveal a USB, USB-C, and a slot for your phone while it's charging, or whatever else. Then you have your main shifter here with select shift on the side, so you can manually shift through your gears, and can also be collapsed flat if you want to have some more space here in your center. Obviously not while driving, but then you do have 2 cup holders and your lockable center compartment / armrest here, which is very spacious, has a removable tray, and another USB and USB-C inside. Looking back, you do also have a power sliding rear window, and last but not least, a twin panel moonroof up top to let in the sunshine. That should cover our look at the interior. So if you're in the market for a new truck with some nice upgrades, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.